Okay, I'm at a nature preserve national park, K-4206, and I'm not going with my ATAS 120. I'm going with my customized massive intruder antenna, which has a extra long, exciting whip on it. But this is the TarHeel. This is the Model 100 AHP, and I got my little my custom current choke there, and then I have I wound up customizing this and I wound up wiring in my own connectivity, and I'm able to like do a quick disconnect here, unplug this, and I can have this whole thing with this receptacle mount disconnected in a matter of moments. You'll notice that I do not have the shunt coil connected here. I had a quick disconnect, actually a thumb screw here to disconnect the shunt coil, but I was having so many problems with that shunt coil installed. RF was getting all into the truck in weird spots, and noticed that it was actually completely fine without it. So guess what? I don't use it, and everything's perfectly fine. So that's what the antenna looks like. I've got it tuned up for 20 meters, and I'm gonna go do some 20 meter parks on the air. I only have about 40 minutes. I've been trying to do a YouTube live stream and I don't have any internet coverage here, which is a huge bummer, but yeah, I'm on 14063, and I'm gonna just start calling CQ. I have a piece of paper. I don't imagine I'm gonna make too many contacts. If I make 10, that'll be great. So let's give it a shot. Get anybody. Getting ready to write. Nobody's coming back. So I'll keep everybody on for a couple more CQs. This might be the most boring video you've ever seen, but I'm giving it a try. I think it was AJ. KJ. Not sure why I did that. Oh, cool. He's actually... Actually, that guy was like 599. Ah, thanks. something B2 something. That was an oops. He should have been 559 instead of 599. I'm dyslexic. I was like trying to hold this and do it at the same time, and I kept on hitting the speaker, and I wasn't kind of funky. I hope this isn't too fast. Okay, I started at 117, now it's 128. I was wondering if this is too fast. But there's something, 7. I can't make him out. Something E. It's funny, I could just get the 7. Doggone it. Sorry, dude. Oh, I heard an X in there. It just Uh-oh. I think, is that a tornado siren I hear? Yikes. I got some bad weather coming this way. I keep hitting this speaker. I'd like to get 10. This is 1, 2. That's 5. Nothing. All right, well, my hand is getting tired holding this phone. So I'm gonna probably wrap it up on this broadcast here. 2 more CQs. Let's see what we can do. Oops. Oh man, there's somebody in there. Something why. Yeah, I think we're at 19 emergency. Yeah, we're at 19. What the hell's wrong with me? Okay, cool. All right, I'm screwing him. Oh, he wants to know my park. All right, one more. Oh boy. So to be is that what I got? Oh man. All right, we got 10 contacts. I might run a little bit longer, but that's how we get 10 contacts in, I don't know, what was that, 20 minutes or something like that. So good time. Parks on the air, everybody. CW on.